Hello, how you doing, man? I'm Hamish, and if you first time my channel, make sure you subscribe. And again, I want to say thanks a lot for people, who are there for me and they donated, in the past time, and it means a lot. I have done a lot of things from your donation. It helps a lot. I got program go and feed back, and feed the community to a place, the environment where I'm from, where people come from, the similar background as I come from. As I was homeless for 3 years, but I'm proud of seeing myself as 10 fam, and I get out of the shell and do something positive for community. That's why I go back and do everything, to show people that you can be like me and you can do something very, very big, and let the world and fashion the world. Let's get started, man. So follow me on all social media. You can donate, visit my website, and thank for all your donation again. You can donate as little as $3, $2, $5, $10, $20, $100, $1,000, millions. I accept everything, even if it's zero, even if it's 20 cents. It's gonna make a lot of changes. Let's get started. They say here an inheritance of 720 000 is shared between 3 siblings. Okay, so this is more the ratio. Siblings are A, B, C. Oh, our siblings are A, B, C. You know what I'm saying? So our siblings are A, B, C, and then what are the next thing? So A is 2, B is 1, and C is 5. Those are siblings. And the total ratio is going to be 2 plus 1 equal to 8, 3 plus 5 equal to 8. They say sibling C is going to inherit. So we want to find out how sibling C is going to inherit. This is one of these equations. So what I'm going to do, I'll say, okay, let's go and get the amount that sibling C is going to inherit. So I'm going to say sibling C equal, what is our C? C equal to 5. So we say 5, and then over the total. Our total is going to be, this is going to be 3, 3 plus, okay, 2 plus 1, 3, plus 5 equal to 8. 8. And then multiply the total amount, which is 7, 7, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now we say by 81, by 80 is going to be 9. It's going to be 9. Okay, so we still have a 0, 0, 0, 0. Now 5 times 9 equals 45. Okay, and then how many 0? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, so sibling C is going to inherit that such amount. But if they ask for sibling A, so this is the answer for this case. Rand. But if they say pound, you write pound. If they say dollar, you say dollar. Whichever money or whichever they mention. You know what I'm saying? So from the equation, that's what they ask. But if they ask, for example, another sibling, let's say. So now this is going to be option 4 for this case, okay? For the question 7, option 4. But if they say, for example, so this is our answer here, option 4. So now, sometime, let's say they ask, okay, how much sibling A is going to inherit. So for sibling A, it's not part of the question, but I'm just showing you. So we say our A equal, what is A? A equal to 2, so say 2 over, what is the total? Total equal to 8, because 2 plus 1 equal to 3, 3 plus 5 equal to 8, and then we multiply the total. The total equals 7, 2, 1, 2, and 3. You know what I'm saying? So by 8 to 1, by 8 to 1, we get 9. 2 times 9 equal to 18. 18, how many 0? 1, 2, 3. So sibling A, who could have got, if they had a split like that in that ratio, then he was going to get 18,000. But that's not part of the equation, okay? So we're done for the equation. It is easy like that, man. Thanks a lot. You know what I'm saying? Look, man, I believe in learning from how to do things. If first time, make sure you subscribe, and you can just go and do donation to our Patreon page. I have a Patreon, I have a GoFundMe. You know what I'm saying? I have all the means of donation, because to make this project going, any type of donation, the little that you think is too small for you, it could make a lot of change. And thanks a lot for all your time. Subscribe, don't forget, share this video, circulate to a lot of people, because the meaning of this project, this program, is to help as many as we can. Okay, it's not only for one person or two, because you might think it's not helpful for you, but for somebody next out there, it could be very, very helpful. So thanks a lot, man. And any donation that you did to me, it means so much. I appreciate it, man. It means a lot. Go to our Patreon page, go to our GoFundMe, because we need to have a lot of things. We need to put them together, like camera, and a lot of equipment, so that we can improve on a lot of angle, a lot of aspects of these projects. Thanks a lot, man. I appreciate and I love you. Peace, man. Bye. You know, this is one of my student of knowledge. You know, she wanted to introduce herself. What's your name? Could you please introduce yourself?
My name is Kali. I
Yeah.
have 2000 primary school.
Yeah, I'm trying to Bantu. I'm trying to Bantu is everywhere, right? So this is my other student. His name, what's your name? Matthew, yeah, he's grade 11, man. So his aim is to score distinction, right? So you promise I want you to score distinction this time. And what's your name? Joshua, how much you promise me to score this time?
Distinction.
Distinction. Yeah, so try to Bantu is everywhere, man.
Mchana Ubatu everywhere. Mchana Ubatu everywhere.
Everywhere.
Mchana Ubatu
Exactly.
everywhere.
Thanks a lot, man. Appreciate it. Thanks so much. If you had to give advice, which advice would you give to the people or to the students?
Trust Hamish.
Why would they trust me?
No, because it's really good. They actually has helped a lot. I redid first year for maths. It was my own fault, but also I didn't know a lot of the work. And Hamish said lots of hard questions, and it's demotivating sometimes to do the harder stuff. You like just want to get done, but it's the hard stuff that makes you realize the easy stuff is easy.
Ayapuma matoda yosingela.